3, 2, 1, action. So what is up, guys? We have just Volstick 1F Plus, which is the digital screwdriver. Let's unbox this. It came with that swipe kind of packaging, a mat for screws. It's a magnet inside of it, and bam, that's okay. We got. Watch out. Inside the packages, we got one. What is that? Let's see. It's for screws, for I think. A machine. Ball stick again. A charging port. Up and down. Like it feels like really premium. Next thing, what do we got here? I think it's a kit. A screw tips. Watch out.
This iPad is how much?
Again tips. Again tips. That's a holder for tips.
This how much?
That's a holder for this, like that. And a charging kit. This is for the screws. I love this. For pull the LCD, a cable for charging, an opener for LCD, and what is that? We don't know yet what is that. So there we are. That's a thing. Check it out. Okay.